In this tutorial, I'll show you how to mask meshes in Blender. This is how the scene looks like in the background. Please use Eevee with bloom turned on. Let's create a curve point. If you don't see that in the menu, please activate an Extra Objects add-on. Let's click 3D and type E to extrude like this. Type A as in alpha, V as in Victor, and A as in alpha to smooth curve. Let's array the curve. This merge setting won't work well with curves, and I'll show you an example shortly. Shift D to duplicate, type S to scale, and Z for the Z axis, and -1 to turn it upside down like this. If we bevel this curve, the curve will break apart. It took me a while to figure out, and I learned if I convert this curve to mesh, and convert it back to curve, the break issue won't occur. Resetting all transforms won't do anything in this case either. We need to apply the materials again. On frame 1, set a new keyframe. On frame 100, move the cube away from the curves and set a new keyframe. Once we mask holdout, the cube will become invisible. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.